Hello friends, today I would like to show you the whole process of replacing the official original screen of iPhone 13 Pro. You can see a white spot on the upper right corner of the screen. Means the screen is out of order. To check static electricity. Function of electrostatic bracelet is normal. Now let's proceed the repairing work. Remove the bottom screws. Place the mobile phone on a special screen dismantling fixture and fix it. Push it into the hot screen disassembled instrument and start heating. Wait for 2 minutes after reaching desirable temp. To heat the phone frame evenly. Heating process completed. Lower down the suction cup. Spinning the knob, slowly lift up the screen, gently cut the frame with the aid of the disassembled card. Take out the mobile phone. Put the phone into the disassembled tray and fix the screen. Keep disassembling. Apply a protective sticker on the facial component. Remove all screws from the shield. Remove the screen baffle, remove the battery. Disconnect the battery cable, screen cable and earpiece cable. Take out the screen. Let's take a closer look at this screen again. The cable here on the screen has been repaired. The screen bracket is also repressed. Both the frame and the screen are easy to crack. So we decided to replace an official original screen directly, in order to avoid any problem in subsequent use. Now let's clean up the residual waterproof glue in the case. Be sure to clean it up. Later, the mobile phone will be pasted with a waterproof glue to ensure airtightness. Use a cotton swab to clean corners and grooves. See if the mobile phone can be restored to airtightness after our maintenance cleaning was done. Let's show you a cleaning up for a mobile phone frame. How many cotton swabs do you need? Wiping the machine to see the effect after cleaning with more than a dozen cotton swabs. Next, apply a new original waterproof glue on the phone. Cover it with a protective cover and place the phone on the waterproof glue pressing tool. Carry out the first waterproof glue pressure holding. Pressing was complete. Tear off the protective film of waterproof glue. Take out a brand new official original mobile phone screen. New screws will be included with the original screen. Specifically used to install the shield, the screen comes with a sensor cable. Attach the screen cable and the earpiece cable. Finally, attach the battery cable. Now use this set of new screws to install the shield. Install the screen shield and battery shield back in place. Secure the new screws one by one. Finally, tighten the appropriate torque. After installation, no leftover screws should remain. Tear off the protective sticker of the face component and blow off the dust at one time. After confirming that the installation is problem-free, we remove the remaining waterproof adhesive protective film. Close the screen. Put the phone in the waterproof adhesive pressing tool again for enhancing protection against water and dust. Restore the waterproof and dustproof effect of the mobile phone to the greatest extent. Pressing product completed. We put tail screws on the mobile phone. Take out the SIM bracket after installation. Now let's check the airtightness after maintenance. Suppression was completed, airtightness test was passed. The mobile phone was successfully restored the original waterproof and dustproof performance. Now let's run the post-repair diagnosis. After replacing the original screen of iPhone, you need to run twice for diagnosis. After the first run, now run for the second time. Completed screen calibration. Run the whole section twice, reinstall SIM bracket. Let's start up and test, and we can successfully enter the system. Enter the password and turn on the settings about this machine. After changing the original screen, display authentic parts, and the original color function is normal. Let's test other functions of the mobile phone.